So I got some broccoli. First of all, when did broccoli become so expensive? This is my prebiotic. These are my daily vitamins. All right, cheers. Here's to a good workout. I'm ready. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you are new here, my name is Shakayla. I create and share delicious vegan recipes, and y'all, I might change that up because I also share inspiration. Like some days you're gonna get vibes, some days you're gonna get a recipe. I create and share delicious vegan recipes and inspiration. I think I like that more. I told y'all in the other video I was putting braids in my head and your girl did it. Y'all, when that sun start coming out and that heat just get at the right temperature, it's braid season, baby. It's braid season. So this week's video is a kind of like a Sunday, I don't want to call it like a reset, but it's like how do I get ready for the week? And that's what we're gonna do. We watched church this morning. As you saw, got a really good workout in. It feels so good to work out, y'all, just to like move my body. Since we are about to run errands, we're probably gonna be gone for a while. And so while we're out, I'm just gonna go to the grocery store because I need to get some items for the week. And so right now I'm about to plan out my meals that I wanna make for this week. I am gonna do a lot of like repeat meals, but I'm going to switch lunch up off. So I'm gonna plan that out. And I got these super cute planners, y'all. Okay, so Papier, they sent me these awesome planners. So this first one is gonna focus. It is a recipe book, y'all. I cannot wait to use it because it is so cute. Like I can just imagine passing this down to maybe like kids one day or like siblings or something. Like this is just so cute. This is the meal planner. And then inside of it, it is the weekly meal plan. And then on the, what is that, y'all's right, left, I don't know. But then you can put like your grocery list. It's like a section for breakfast, lunch, dinner, treats. I'm just so excited. I've like never had anything like this, and it just makes me, I actually picked both of these out. And I don't know if y'all saw this, but my name is on here. So these are like fully customizable, which I'm obsessed with. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to plan out my meals for the week, which I just mentioned, but then also make my grocery list. So kind of take inventory of what I have in the kitchen that I already have and I can use. And to come up with my meals, what I typically do is just think about what I want to make for the week. Like I'm like, oh, I want to have tacos, or oh, I want to have a burrito bowl, or oh, I want to do something with tofu. So that's one thing that I think about. And then I also go to Pinterest and like TikTok for inspiration as well. But I'm very much a eat what you feel like eating type of girl. All right, so now I'm about to start writing down the grocery list, and I'm glad I'm doing this at home and like not on my phone in the car or something, because now I can actually take inventory of what I have. Okay, so everything that I'm making this week, which again, I put in my little planner, I'm having overnight oats with fruit for breakfast. I'm also gonna make tofu scramble with toast and also some fruit. I really wanna try to make some hot honey tofu for lunch. So I'm going to do that and add it to a wrap with like other veggies, of course. And then another day for lunch, I want to do like crispy oyster mushrooms, but not necessarily fried on the stove, but I'm gonna add them in the air fryer. So I'm gonna have that with some rice and veggies. I also wanna make a Chipotle bowl, which I'm excited about. Do a Caesar salad for lunch. And then for dinner, I'm gonna switch off between tofu, broccoli, and rice. I just don't know what type of sauce I wanna put on the tofu just yet. So I'm gonna see what catches my eye at the grocery store. And then I wanna do some chickpea spaghetti with, I don't know what protein just yet. And for that one, I'll probably see what catches my eye at the grocery store as well. With that being said, we are about to head out. We wanna go play mini golf. So we're about to head out and go play some mini golf. And then, what else do we have to do, babe? Mini golf. We gotta go to the grocery store, Home Depot. No, not Home Depot, Dick's Sporting Goods. Yeah. Oh wow, you almost got it. Now, why would somebody put that meatloaf in here? Y'all, I got so lucky. I have not been able to find this anywhere, and I also searched online and it was sold out. This is the last one. Talk about God looking out for you, girl. All right, y'all, remind me to never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach because now I stuck to my list. But the way I got a bunch of other stuff that I did not need, I ought to be ashamed of myself. But let's get into everything that I picked up from the grocery store. Like meat substitutes that I picked up from the store. So I showed y'all these last time and absolutely loved them when I had them. Y'all, they were so good. Like, Impossible was in a bag when they came up with this. I don't remember if I had these before. I feel like I might have had it before, but I think what I liked most about it was the ingredient list. So yeah. And then I also got their vegan bacon, which is really good. Also got, let me make sure, I feel like this is crooked and I always do that to myself. Is this crooked? Oh, there we go. No, let's see. Hold on, y'all. I'm looking at the screen. Okay, I feel like it wasn't crooked. Hopefully it doesn't look crooked on camera. But anyway, so I also got my tofu. About to throw these in the freezer. Some sweet potatoes. Also got avocado, bell peppers. So I got a green one as well as a red one. So I got some broccoli. First of all, when did broccoli become so expensive? Like, I mean, granted, I did buy like organic broccoli, but my God. But I got some broccoli. I also got, y'all, I've been killing these. I also got some Kite Hill yogurt, which I think I featured. We also got peanut butter. Okay. I got some banza penne, but use like the plant-based ground and add some onions in there. Add some garlic, pasta sauce, some tomatoes, and then have that on the side with some, I don't know, I might do a salad. So that's gonna be delicious. I got some coconut sugar. Brandon saw these at the store. Let's see if it focuses. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Kiwi fruit, sun gold. We also picked up onions. I picked up a yellow and a red onion, as well as some bananas. I didn't really think that was like super exciting to show. All right, so that is everything that I got. I'm about to put this stuff up and start on dinner tonight. For dinner, I'm gonna do the penne pasta, which should be really exciting. All right. Y'all, it looks like we have a brand new fridge.